Welcome to this thought-provoking video where we discuss the emergence of artificial intelligence and its potential impact on the business landscape. The world is about to undergo a monumental change comparable to the innovation cycle of a century ago, when internal combustion engines and the telephone were transformed by electrification. Society in this video, Sachin Dave Dugal, the creator of Builder.ai, and Chief Futurist Brett Winton of ARK Investment Management are featured. We invite you to join us as we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it could transform the way we conduct business. But first, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Exploring the potential and growth areas of AI, they shed light on how Tesla's economic model is poised to take advantage of the AI space in a way that current big tech companies may not be able to. The emergence of artificial intelligence is comparable to the innovation cycle of a century ago, when electrification, internal combustion engines, and the telephone entered the market at the same time, bringing about unprecedented change. The world is on the cusp of a monumental historical turning point. There are many implications for this change, which Tesla stands to gain from. While it is obvious that trillions of dollars will be spent on AI software over the course of the business cycle, it is interesting to note that the current big tech companies may not be the best place to play in the AI space given their competitive swim lanes and their current competition with one another in this field. Brett Winton, the Chief Futurist at ARK Investment Management, and Sachin Dave Dugal, the founder of Builder.ai, join the discussion to explore the potential of growth areas. Consequently, if they anticipate this change, they have the potential to grow considerably larger. Otherwise, someone else may eat them up along the way. Brett Winton owned some Alphabet stock and thought it was a wise investment until he realized how quickly AI was developing. He sold his Alphabet stock and invested his proceeds in the S&P 500 before moving on to Tesla stock. According to Brett, some of the most intriguing places to invest are businesses that have deployed and used assets and can provide AI software to those assets are some of the most interesting places to invest. Given the speed at which AI is developing, companies like Tesla, which has the largest deployed fleet of robots in the world, are better positioned to profit from it than some other AI-focused tech companies that are now engaging in aggressive competition. The conversation then shifts to fully autonomous driving and the challenges Google is encountering in this space. Google's entire self-driving unit. Tesla is so close to achieving full self-driving that they will sell a lot more FSD upgrades, which is a problem for Waymo because if they succeed, they profit, but if they fail, they lose money. Let me tell you why Tesla is the best company ever. They have so many backup plans that even if their main plan doesn't work out as intended, they have plenty of options to make it work in the long run. When there was widespread optimism about full self-driving, the rate was over 40% and as high as over 50%. Google, on the other hand, has had its full self-driving project launched for a long time now, but they haven't made any money from it. They're losing money, but with Tesla, over 10% of their customers upgrade to full self-driving, which goes straight into their bottom line. So Gene, let me ask you, are your customers making AI a priority when it comes to spending? And what do you see happening if there's a slowdown? Well, let me tell you, the world is moving faster than ever before. The demand for developers is over 500 million. But the worldwide supply is only around 50 million. This is driven by every echelon of the business pyramid, from small businesses to enterprises. Even almost 100 million new companies are being started every year. So there's no slowdown in sight. What we're seeing now is a change in the user interface. In the past, we gave people tools and they struggle to use them. But now with the conversation and speech interfaces, people feel more comfortable. And it gets much richer. Platforms like ours are taking away the technical expertise needed to be in the digital game, which means small businesses will start using more and more AI and recommendation systems. These aren't new technologies. They've been around for a while, but they're now becoming more popular. To give you an example, 15 years ago, I was creating my first website, and while knowing some HTML was helpful and improved my website creation, today, there are website builders that allow you to drag and drop elements onto the page, and everything just works. This is comparable to being a long-term tester bearer. Don't be afraid of AI. It's here to stay and only going to get better. The overarching message is that AI is a powerful technology, but it's not new and we still don't fully understand it. This is because the world has changed so much that AI is becoming more mainstream and user-friendly. The interface is also becoming easier to use and more conversational, which means people are starting to use it more. The concerns about AI taking over jobs are premature because it will initially make people more efficient. There is a massive mismatch between demand and supply in various industries. It's like a young child that has the potential to do amazing things, but hasn't built the value system yet. For creative people, AI is great because it frees them from menial tasks. But for businesses, it lowers costs and increases efficiency because AI is nuanced and not a one-size-fits-all solution. Therefore, it won't be replacing jobs en masse anytime soon. It's early, but there's a huge opportunity here for businesses that can reinvent themselves by embracing AI. That said, the impact of AI on the job market is still uncertain. It could make some jobs more productive while others may become obsolete. If you're in the top 10% in your field and use AI, you'll have an interesting advantage over your competition. Another application for AI making waves is the music industry. Computer-generated songs that sound almost identical to human creative ones are now a reality. This technology could transform the way artists create music and perform live. On the other hand, it's early days, and we don't fully understand how this will play out. On the other hand, the companies that are already using AI to their advantage are pulling ahead of their competition for investors. This means looking for companies that are agile, innovative, and have distributed assets that can push AI software into. Tesla is a great example of a company that's acting like a startup and could benefit from many more opportunities in the future. The ultimate opportunity for companies that embrace AI could be transformative, but it's important to proceed with caution and stay informed about the latest developments in the field. It's an exciting time to be in business because everything is changing rapidly. We're experiencing a monumental historical turnover that's comparable to the innovation cycle of a century ago. Tesla is a part of this massive transformation, and it's not just about AI, but every technology is accelerated. Every company will have to become a technology company to survive and compete. Every person will become a coder using AI systems. This transformation will change the economy as we know it. It may feel like we're at an inflection point right now, but in 3 years we'll look back and realize that this was just the beginning. The cost to train AI systems is following an exponential curve, and it's exciting to see how AI will continue to transform the business landscape. Well, that pretty much sums up everything we have to say in this video. If you like it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Only pay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.